Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see a practical on how to type a text and group it in MS Paint. So watch the video fully, don't skip in between. So first of all, go in the desktop of the computer and then go to Windows plus R, run button, and type MS Paint. Here MS Paint is opened. Now we will take a shape, a rectangle shape, and insert it with color. We see the color is formed on the shape. Now we will slowly go to the text tool and select the area where we will type the text. So we will adjust it on the shape, and here we should change the color of the foreground color to insert the text. So we type a text computer and click on outside the portion. We will cut the portion we want and group. After that we will see the computer is grouped. Now again we will cut the portion of the computer with rectangular selection tool, and we will bring it to the middle portion of the screen, and with the help of eraser we will rub the other portions from the blank page. So here we can see the computer is grouped. Now we will save it on the desktop. We'll go to File, Save As, and we will save the format as JPG format, and we will go on Save. So now we can see in the desktop our grouped material is being saved, and we can see the computer is being grouped and saved. Thank you.